But the number one question I get asked the most, and I suspect that I'm probably going to tell you the same thing that most lawyers would tell you, is particularly in a personal injury context, what is my case worth? And I will tell you that one of the things that drives me out of my mind, particularly when I see commercials like this on television, is lawyers that advertise and say, call us and we'll tell you what your case is worth. No responsible lawyer can tell you on the basis of a phone call or in the first interview or in the first meeting with a client what your case is worth. Why is that? First of all, every case is different. Every injury is different. For example, say you are a concert pianist and you have an injury to your hand. That case is going to be worth something that is different to the concert pianist as compared to someone that doesn't use their hands like a concert pianist does. So every case is based on the individual injuries that are suffered, as well as how those injuries affect that particular person. In addition, you have to evaluate the issue of pain and suffering. You have to evaluate the nature of the injury, the length of the injury, the disability, whether or not it's a permanent injury or a partial disability, whether or not there have been lost wages, whether or not there has been lost earning capacity. Lost wages are actually income that you lost, say you were out of work for 2 weeks. Those are lost wages. Lost earning capacity is something that you experience over a period of time because you may not have done, for example, or may not be able to continue to do a job that you've done throughout most of your life. So that's lost earning capacity. And because every person is different and every injury is different, you can't evaluate what a case is worth until you're into it, until the client has treated or reached a medical end result, or until you know what the client's injuries are, permanent or partial. So all of those factors have to be taken into before any lawyer can responsibly value a case or tell you what your case is worth. So again, to go back, your question is, what is the question that I am most asked? It's definitely, what is your case worth? And I tell all clients what I just told you, that there are so many factors that go into it that no responsible attorney can tell you what your case is worth until all those factors are taken into consideration. That's the responsible way of handling a case on behalf of a client.